If you want to use a memory card or micro SD card with your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then in that case what you need to do is you need to get a memory card reader. In my case I have this one, and the idea is that we insert the micro SD card into the memory card reader that has USB-C cable, and with that USB-C cable we connect the memory card reader to our Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and then you can go open the file manager and you should have access to the storage of your micro SD card. Unfortunately, the SIM tray doesn't have the memory card slot. We can only use a nano SIM card, and that's pretty much it. And of course, this type of usage of micro SD card is a little bit inconvenient to use on a daily basis, but it is just a way to, of course, for example, move data or transfer some files from time to time when needed. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.